Conversions. Example 2. Convert 6 meter, 8 decameter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter into millimeters. Solution. 6 meter, 8 decameter, 4 centimeter, 5 millimeter is equal to 6 multiplied by 1000 millimeter plus 8 multiplied by 100 millimeter plus 4 multiplied by 10 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. This is equal to 6000 millimeter plus 800 millimeter plus 40 millimeter plus 5 millimeter, which is equal to 6845 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 decameter is equal to 100 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Example 6. Convert 5 liters, 3 decaliters, 4 centiliters, 7 milliliters into milliliters. Solution. 5 liter, 3 decaliter, 4 centiliter, 7 milliliter is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 milliliter plus 3 multiplied by 100 milliliter plus 4 multiplied by 10 milliliter plus 7 milliliter is equal to 5000 milliliter plus 300 milliliter plus 40 milliliter plus 7 milliliter is equal to 5347 milliliter. Conversions. To change smaller units to bigger units, we divide. Example 1. Convert 6275 meter into kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meters. Solution. To convert meters into decameters, first we divide by 10. It becomes 627 decameter 5 meter. To convert decameter into hectometers, we divide by 10. It comes out to be 62 hectometer 7 decameter. To convert hectometer into kilometer, we again divide by 10. It comes out to be 6 kilometer 2 hectometer. Therefore, 6275 meters is equal to 6 kilometer 2 hectometer 7 decameter 5 meter. Note, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. Example 3. Convert 32,486 milliliter into bigger units. Solution. To convert milliliters into centiliters, first we divide by 10. It comes out to be 3248 centiliter 6 milliliter. To convert centiliters into deciliters, first we divide by 10. It comes out to be 324 deciliters 8 centiliter. To convert deciliters into liters, we again divide by 10. It comes out to be 32 liter 4 deciliter. To convert liters into decaliters, we again divide by 10. It comes out to be 3 decaliter 2 liters. Therefore, 32,486 milliliter is equal to 3 decaliter 2 liter 4 deciliter 8 centiliter 6 milliliter. Note, 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliter is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter is equal to 1 liter. 10 liter is equal to 1 decaliter.